making a nail wonder piercing. I'm Tabitha, and we're going to be making a mirror piercing because they're awesome anyway. But I hate it when people are specific, so all you need is a little bead. I got this off my doll's clothing. Not that hard to find. Just something around the house. You can use some glue, any kind of glue. It doesn't have to be specific eyelash glue or something like that. Just, I actually have a little wood stick that I use. Yeah, I'm going to be putting it on there. Okay. I think it's on there. Okay, and I'm just going to apply it. And I need a little bit. There it is. Bye, guys.